Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Monica Janae. If you're new, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. You know why you're here. Okay, you clicked on this video because you seen the title or you looked at the thumbnail. Either way it goes, you're here. So hey, let's just keep it going. Anyway, in this video I'm going to be doing a Zara haul. Okay, I bought a few pieces from Zara, not a lot, just enough for, you know, a quick video. But I mean, then again, I bought things that I wanted, you know, that I seen, that I felt like, you know, hey, spend a couple dollars on it. But anyway, we're gonna go ahead and get started because I don't want to take a lot of time. I want to get straight to it because, hey, you came here to see some clothes, not listen to me talk the whole time. So let's go ahead and get started. All right, everybody, you know what, I'm not gonna lie, I don't think I'm really feeling this dress. I thought I was gonna like this dress. This dress is too damn small. Because it's supposed to like flare out some and it doesn't. I'm gonna still wear it, but if you watched the beginning, you would have seen that I opened up the box. So this is my first time ever trying these clothes on. Slightly disappointed, not gonna lie. This is a little sweater dress. I got this on the sale. I got this on sale online. The girl on the little ad, she definitely made this dress look so cute, and I was like, oh, I'm getting it, because I ain't gonna lie, I kind of figured this dress would have fit. It's a little bit bigger. Let me see how it looks in the back. Nope, does not fit the same way as the girl in the picture. I tried to throw a pair of boots on because I was like, if I was to wear this dress, I was like, I'm gonna put these boots on. These boots I got from Shein. These are fake Bottega. Is it Bottega? They ain't real, but I really like these boots a lot. Another thing, if you shop at Shein and you got big feet, do not, if you wear over a size, if you wear over a size 8, don't buy shoes from Shein. Those things run real small. But yeah, yeah, I'm actually really disappointed in this dress. This is really one of my favorite pieces that they had. One of my favorite things that I purchased. This is definitely a no, but I love these boots. I was like, oh, these boots gonna go with everything that I bought and more. You know what I'm saying? Because I just knew I was about to give it a little edgier look. You know what I'm saying? Like, you keep it cute on the top and then kind of give it some edge on the bottom. But yeah, this dress is definitely way too small. Or I mean, I thought it was gonna be a little thicker than what it is. It's actually thicker up on the top and very thin on the bottom, and it's just definitely not giving me the vibes I was looking for, not gonna lie. I'm actually kind of disappointed, but like I said, I'm gonna still wear this dress because I done purchased it, you know what I'm saying? I'm not gonna send it back. So maybe we'll, you know, figure out how to fix this. But yeah, this dress right here is just a sweater dress from Zara's. So let's move on. The next piece I have is this black dress. It's just a collared dress. It's very mini. I actually thought it would have been a little bit longer. I like it. I don't know that I could wear this to work. I might can maybe put like maybe some type of leggings underneath of this and wear it like a shirt. Maybe if it looks right. If it doesn't, I won't worry about it. But definitely gonna wear this out. This was another one of my favorites. Because I just knew, like I said, I can get away with these boots with any of the things that I purchased. I do like this dress a lot. I forgot the name of this dress. It's like a satin type finish. Not silk, but yeah, probably more like satin. It's a little bit more material on the top that I would like, but that's okay. I'm still gonna wear this dress. The little bow, like the way it was tied up was so cute, but I messed it up. So anyway, yeah, it has a tie around the waist. You can see it. I can't really see it from my should have put a monitor up so I could see better. But yeah, this is a cute dress. I like it. Like I said, maybe I should have, I did iron this stuff, but dang, it probably need to be ironed a little more so you can kind of see without all these wrinkles. Because when I look in the mirror, it don't really look all that hot. But it might look different, you know, if I ironed it a little bit. I didn't iron this dress, actually. I ironed my other ones, but one of them looked like it was still wrinkled. So the last one I had on looked like it was still wrinkled. But yeah, because ironing will make a big difference. But yeah, I like this dress. Again, probably rock these little boots with this. dress. I probably have to put some tights on, depending on the weather outside. If it's like a good day, I don't have to wear anything on my legs. But yeah. Anyway, let's move on. All right. I'm gonna have to lose some weight for this dress, but this is supposed to be baggy fitting with the sleeves, you know, like the little cap sleeves on it. It does fit, but I think it could be a little baggier. Again, boots, same boots. I really like this dress. I think it's the right length. It just need to be let me see. Yeah, it's the right length. It just needs to be a little bit baggier, but I really like this dress. I like the color. I think this came in black, but I was like, boom, let me get this because I think I could just wear this right on into the spring. Really more like spring, summer to me. But the color doesn't really look very summery. But then again, this is the colors that we're going for right now. So I think I can get away with this in the summertime. But yeah, I really like this dress. Got this on the sale. Yeah. I like the cap sleeves. I really like these sleeves, but it's hard. I haven't been able to find these type of shirts. Yeah, I'll probably see them more now that they're becoming like really popular or whatever. But I'm gonna look around because I want some of these tops. I did find one, but that top too damn small. So this dress it's just a little bit snug. It fits, like it's comfortable, but I want it to be a little bit baggier. I actually really like this dress. So yeah, again, same boots. Can get up with these boots. So let's go ahead and move on to the next thing. Found something I could wear to work. So this is just a polo dress. This dress came in like, I don't know if it came in like different. It came in different colors, but I think it came in different lengths. I got the one that came to the knee. I think the other ones came down a little bit longer. But yeah, just a little gray polo dress. That's what they call it. They call it a polo dress with the sleeves. And the sleeves are a little bit longer. So this is more, I would think this was more for the fall, winter myself. If you ask me, you probably can get away with it in the springtime. Pretty sure. I mean, it is just a heather gray dress. Again, same boots. Like I said, these boots go with everything. They go with everything I got. So yeah, I really like this dress. But anyway, this is my first time. I think this is my first time ever purchasing from Zara's online. Now I'll go in the store and shop, but I haven't purchased anything online. So, you know, and then it doesn't even matter about trying it on because you can't try it on the stores anyway. But everything so far fits. That first dress is a little iffy. I'm gonna have to fix that up, do something to it to make it just look a little better. I think it just needs to be ironed a little better and kind of laid out. Maybe it won't look as bad, but baby, I'm gonna wear that dress. So I already talked about buying this jacket. I done already wore it, but this just a little leather bomber. All the dresses that I tried on, I got on sale. This jacket here, I didn't get on sale. Actually just paid regular price for this jacket. I just thought this was really cute because right now, I mean, I got tons and tons of coats. Tons. Like, I could wear a different coat every day for a couple weeks. But lately, I've only been wearing one coat, and that's a North Face coat that I got last year. Well, beginning of the season. And I just been wearing that, and I was like, well, I want something a little bit not so sporty looking, but more so I can like kind of dress it down. So I was like, boom, that's a cute jacket. Let me grab it. It was the last one. It was the second to the last one. There's another one, and the girl came and grabbed it up. So I was like, I'm not putting my jacket back down. And she grabbed it up like that. So yeah, just a little leather bomber. Definitely goes well with you know, just about anything. So yeah, it's cropped as well. So yeah, I love this jacket. But I got one more thing to try on, and I'll be done. All right, so this is the last thing that I got from Zara, that I purchased from Zara's. Are these pants. They are wide leg sweatpants. I was like, yeah, I'm getting these because I can wear these to work. Because all I got to do is just kind of dress them up. Like put on, like just like what I got on right now. I definitely wouldn't wear the boots. Even though it gives me a very 90s vibe. Like a 90, you know, like kind of early to mid 90s vibe, I wouldn't wear it to work. But yeah, I definitely love these pants. I really don't know what I was gonna wear with them, but I wasn't sure if I was gonna be able to fit them because I'm already short, and with the pants being wide leg, and usually like I don't really buy pants very often from stores because they just be too long. But I took my chance and girl, they fit, because I was like, man, my mom about to be muscling me out some pants, but guess what, she didn't. So yeah, I love these pants. I just threw a turtleneck on just to kind of show you what they look like. But yeah, love, love, love. All right, so I'm finished. I told y'all that this wasn't gonna take very long. I didn't have a lot to haul. Like I said, there's some things I purchased from Zara, and I didn't want to kind of show the pieces. And plus, like, I'm one of those people, when I purchase things online, I always tend to go to plus size, and I don't know why. Just online. Now when I go in the stores, it's just the, you know, average sizes or whatever. But when I go online, because I don't know if this stuff is gonna be too small or whatever. But I took my chance with Zara. So even though I shopped in Zara's in the store, I was able to try clothes on. Now that we're quarantined, I can't try on anything in the store, so I really don't know how well the things are gonna fit. But as you can see, some things they fit, but it could have had a better fit. I know Zara's kind of, I don't want to say that it runs small, but it's more European, so it's not gonna be like, you know, it's not gonna have any extra in the fabric. It's not gonna have any extra, you know what I mean. So you know, I took the chance. I do like the stuff that I purchased. We'll probably go and shop again on Zara's.com. I just, you know, gonna have to read the descriptions a little bit more when I'm shopping. But I did like everything that I purchased. Of course, like the things I purchased out of store, but you know, online is a little different. So anyway, it is what it is. But this is the end of the video. Like what you see, hit the thumbs up. Also, leave a comment down below if you have a question about anything. And make sure you hit the subscribe button, turn the notification bell on, and leave a comment down below. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.